Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a very special drink that you're gonna want to stay tuned for, and that's the Kiwi Mai Tai. Look at it, look at that. I know they requested a long time ago and I barely got to it. I know I was doing intense research, looking at books, reading this. I'm just kidding, I was getting drunk at bars after bars after bars, but finally I didn't find the right thing and I kind of came up with this kind of my own way. I saw the recipes, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna make it fresh with real juices, nothing processed and stuff, and that's what I came up with, you guys. So, without further ado, you guys, we're gonna jump right into this, all right? The Kiwi Mai Tai. All right, guys, so first thing we're gonna do is separate both our shakers, put them aside, get our lime, fresh, you can see that little tag, cut it. Get about an ounce of this, guys, just 1 ounce. So 1 ounce. Then next thing, we're gonna go with all our rum. Typically, this drink involves just regular white rum, but I'm gonna go with 1 ounce of H rum. I'm gonna use Flor de Caña. One of my favorite rums. So 1 ounce, follow up by another ounce of Jamaican rum. I use this brand right here. You can use any type you want. This one is H as well, just to funk it up, you know, get a little bit funky in there. So 1 ounce of this as well. Now we're gonna go with our orange liqueur. You can use any type. I use this one right here. Next thing's next, our sweetener. But we're not gonna use just basic sweetener. We're gonna use some almond syrup, orgeat. And just again, 1 ounce of this. And I guess I kind of dry, but no worries. And here we have it, all filled up, brand new. When they actually say like, oh, shipping is super, super quick. 1 day, oh, seconds of shipping, there you go. So 1 ounce of this, you guys. Look at that, look at that syrup, oh, damn. You guys, I have tried a lot of different syrups out there. Total Wine, even Fry's, different supermarkets. None have been as good as this. None of them. This actually is gonna elevate your drink, for reals, you guys. So amazing, so good. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna need is to make my fresh kiwi and pineapple juice. Don't go to the store and buy this. Just put them in the blender, cut them, you know, make it yourself. Be right back, all right? All right, guys, so here's the juice. Look at that. Pineapple's kind of going to the bottom. The kiwi's kind of on the top. Freshly just blended for you guys. Bam. Get these leaves later on for decoration. Same thing with the kiwi. Now, brought the ice cubes. Just throw them in here. It's got about 4 ice cubes in there. Get this thing in here. Get our kiwi. So you're gonna want about 2.5 ounces of the kiwi juice and about anywhere from 3/4 to a whole ounce of pineapple juice. And then obviously the rest of the thing. Bam, close it up, shake it up. All right, guys, so there you go. Woo, that drink wants me to drink it already. Split that, get our nice cup. Got some ice back here, special for this. Wait, that's not how it's supposed to look. You know, like how they do it on the videos and shit. I like me, cabrón. Mira no mames, güey. I'll put it right here, the ice. I did forget my strainer again. Thought I was ready, but I guess I wasn't. So we're gonna strain with this. Come on. Que belleza, güey. Belleza, cabrón. Nice in there. Get a couple of these in there. Slap that mint around, bro. Show us who's boss. I'll garnish that drink right there. Put it in there. There. No, if you know me, I always have a straw. Right in my butt, bro. Not in my butt, but like close to it. A little straw right there. Yeah, I know, it looks tacky, but we're conserving those turtles, eh? All right. So there you have it, you guys. Take a little sip. The kiwi, pineapple, the liquor, the summer, the heat just beating on your skin. I don't know about you guys, man, but if you've been slaving at your job, you deserve one of these, you guys. Definitely deserve it. Same garnish and everything, beautiful. All right, guys, so remember, if you like this channel, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any drink you want me to create out there. I know the person that actually requested this drink, I took forever. I'm not a big fan of Mai Tais, and I kind of wanted to make it a little bit different, so I look up some stuff, and then out of nowhere one day, I got some kiwis laying around, and I just kind of busted out this drink, and I got a little bit of pineapples and stuff, so there you have it. So, this is Alejandro, Alejandro the Mixologist, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.